chicken, Italian spicy bacon chicken.
Yo guys, today we are playing Shadows Awaken. Me and my little brother are playing it. Get on the mic, Arlen.
Hello!
This is going to be pretty banging. He chose the game, so, you know, he might back out halfway through because I don't think he actually understands how scary this might be. But anyway, today will be pretty banging. Yesterday I raged out on that really crappy post-shift game because it was really difficult. But anyway guys, let's play. See what it's like. I hope I save the graphics at medium because my PC is gonna like napalm on me.
Exploded.
Oh yeah, it'll explode. Okay, so it's an open world game. Oh my god, yes, my PC will definitely explode in a minute. Jesus Christ.
Graphics!
There's like a box over here. I don't like this. Okay, I can't go in there. I don't want to anyway. I hope this is just the opening and they haven't just thrown me in the game without any insight of what I'm doing. Arlen, rate the graphics.
It's enough to blow up a PC.
Yeah, well,
if you have like a normal computer, expect your house to be on fire.
Whoa, knee slapper joke right there.
Shut
These
up.
guys look pretty cool. Nah, Chica's hot, man.
Wait,
Allow it. Can I get up there? No. Do I have a torch? I'm trying to find out if I have a torch. No, I don't think I have. Fox boy. Yes, lad.
Foxy.
Is that him? That's him. Let's go in and say hi to him. Does he move? Is that bag?
Well, no fucking shit.
Can I?
A backpack.
Oh, it's voice acting.
Oh!
Someone really forgot his entire backpack to a children's restaurant. I guess I should probably look for more lost items and return them to lost and found.
How do I pick it up? Oh, I click on it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty cool actually. This is interesting. My PC's not dead yet, so you know.
So that's lucky.
Yeah. Arlen, go get a chair or something. You're just standing there really awkwardly.
Yeah, because I'm known to sit on.
Yeah, well, just get something to sit on then, you goober. On my days. Can I sprint? No, okay. I can't sprint yet. So lost item. Oh, it's a radio. Works. Oh! I don't care. I really don't care. Anyway, guys, who would think that a Five Nights at Freddy's game has murdered children in it? No way. That's totally not the whole entire point of the game. Oh my god. Right, can we go in here yet? It's just like empty. It's such a big room. Oh.
Why is it going all blurry?
I don't know. There's probably some Zaza in there. So
For like a year 7 boy.
I still can't sprint. Okay, I can't go this way. Well, look for lost items. What else is there that looks lost?
You just need to check like all under the tables and stuff.
A bit confused. I can't check under the tables if I can't crouch. That's the radio. I'm not interested in the radio because I've already just listened to it. Anything else on the tables? On the stage? No. I don't know if there is anything else here. I can't see anything because they didn't give me a flipping flashlight. Oh wait, hold on.
What? That's just a toy.
Yeah, well we gotta pick it up. What? There's something trying to bang in the door. Let's go investigate.
What is that? Oh my god, it's opened.
Guys, I'm about to get jump scared. Obviously, this guy's like, oh yeah, mysterious door. No, don't leave. Go in it. Idiots, man. Idiots. Can I just leave? Get ready for a mega jump scare. No lie. Here we go.
Imagine if you can't. No, you can't.
What's happening? Oh, whoa. Okay, I don't like this.
Oh.
I don't like this.
Why is that? That looks so weird.
What do I do? What do I do?
Leave.
Leave? No, I can't leave. It's
So
the
like,
problem.
leave the room.
I don't want to touch him.
You touch me, dead.
I don't like these. What am I supposed to do?
Maybe like later there'll be some loss.
Oh! Bro, what? What's happening? I don't like these blokes. Oh, he just put his arm out.
He's moved. Yeah, he moved.
This guy's like looks like homeless Freddy. Do you want a Subway sandwich? You understand how I feel? Bro, get your finger fixed. What the frizzle is that? This is really scary, guys. My boots are quaking right now. I am terrified.
My finger's literally shaking.
I'm so scared.
And I have a shaking finger.
Right, I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna go get you a Subway sandwich, yeah? Do you want a Sprite? Dr. Pepper? What is it? Oh, arrogant, man. Just answer the question. Jesus. Can I sprint? I still can't sprint. I have to walk this slow all this way. This Nicado avocado ass walk.
Stupid.
So guys, how's your day been? By the way, comment down below what your favourite Subway sandwich is. Mine's pepperoni with cheese and lettuce, toasted with some sweet chili sauce.
Mine's chicken and bacon with cucumber and barbecue sauce and ketchup.
That's dead.
Thank God.
That's literally dead.
And so are you in a
Okay,
second.
I can hear cars. Arlen, you'll get a go when we actually get into the game. This is still literally not even the game. Bathroom. Jesus, this guy's got deluxe plus bathroom, man. God damn.
Got a full bath in there.
A full bath in there, Arlen. Most people have a full bath in their bathroom. I mean, the marble and the mirrors and the way it looks amazing.
I don't
Not
care.
the bath.
I don't care.
No, they have a bath.
I thought this was still like the
You're just shocked because you don't actually bath.
my shower.
Glock. Can I use it?
No,
No.
sad times.
Is this going to turn into like a Call of Duty Freddy Fazbear's simulator? Where I just shoot them all. Oh, the door at the end, I think that's how I leave. So I picked up a gun. I'm just going to go into Freddy Fazbear's piece and just absolutely spray the place up.
Door's locked.
It's locked.
Yeek.
Where's the key?
Probably in one of the rooms.
Oh, nah. What the flizzle is that? Oh no! Screen just went black. Please don't kill me. Bro, who the
We're gonna get jump scared.
fudge was that, bro?
Oh
Someone's
my
coming.
God.
Someone's coming.
Can you not move?
I can't move. Please don't kill me. I can hear it breathing.
I swear to God, I heard a gun loading. What is going on?
We're out in the back alley right now. I shot it.
Oh, he shot you.
No, because I had the gun. How would it shoot me if it doesn't have the gun?
Snatched it. Shot you.
No way, that's it. Is that it?
It's a demo.
Yeah, I know, but there's got to be something to it. Come on, please don't say that's the demo, man. This is an ass video if that's the demo. Bro, what the fudge? That's bo. That's bo. Guys, I'm gonna get another game up. I'll see you in a minute. Yo guys, we're back. We found another game because the first one was terrible and that demo was ass.
Yeah.
So let me quickly see if I can turn down the volume. It's a bit loud. Nah, we're good. Okay. Right, guys. Let's play. Let's try this out. New game.
Let's go.
Yes, I do want to start a new game.
What else do you think we'll do?
So apparently it's just free roam. Casual. I'm not playing difficult. So let's just see what this game's like. I just want to try out a free roam 5 Nights at Freddy's game. Do we really want to watch the cutscene?
I don't.
No, guys. I'll put a thing down below to skip, a timestamp if you want to skip it. But I'll be quiet now so you guys can watch the cutscene. Right, guys. Let's see what this is like. Come on, load faster, man.
It's just 8% for about 4.
There we go. Right, 100%. Let's go.
Yeah.
WASD to move.
Fellow user.
Hello.
To the renewed and redesigned Fazbear attraction.
Hello.
Here, you will experience all the creepy stories made by lunatic haters of Fazbear Entertainment since 1987.
Okay.
The robots come to life, a murderer roams the place, and accidents happened in the back rooms. Do not link to the 2027 accident if you really think you are prepared for this journey where you may experience things such as fear, panic, injuries, extreme sweating, epilepsy, fainting, heart attacks, and their variations. Join us right now for a price of only $14.99. Pain will also make us not responsible for any of the symptoms mentioned before.
Okay. What do I do? Oh, I gotta give this guy the money.
Thank you. Now, before I open the door for you, please give all your belongings to my mate in the other window.
Wait, so I have to give everything to this bloke?
Excellent.
That has my Subway sandwiches in there, man!
We're gonna give that to him.
He's gonna squish him. Oh no, I put the Sprite upside down! Give it back! Oh. Damn it. I screwed up.
I thought you got Dr.
Get out of my face, bro!
I thought you got Dr. Pepper.
No, I got Sprite. Tip manager, meet your best friend during this adventure, the tip manager. This incredible technology will help you get through all the rooms of the attraction, give you essential tips and hints about the level you are about to play. This introduction will teach you how to use and understand. That was quick. Right, guys, let's go!
Boom.
Yo!
Music. This is really cool.
Yes, he gave me a flashlight. Get on. Press F. What are these supposed to do?
They do nothing.
Right, I think we can leave. Oh, can I not open that? Oh.
Left shift to run should be a bit useful.
Okay. I actually like this a lot. This is quite interesting. This is kind of creepy.
I'm the one who suggested it.
Yep. Oh, my little brother suggested this game. I did not. Oh, this is the very start of the lore. If you guys ever watched the lore, this is where it all starts off. Right. Hold the curtains and keep them closed if we see that bloke. Okay. What else? Hold E or left click looking at the suit to put it on. Press spacebar to stop hiding. Oh snap, I didn't look at all the tips!
Ladies and gentlemen, I think my brain just committed suicide.
No! Is that the suit? That doesn't... Oh, that's the suit. I can't go in it. Okay, that's how I get rid of him.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
Oh! Broski!
God! Oh my god!
Okay, come on. Come on. No, you're joking. It's not bringing the tip thing down. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. I know about the curtains. I know about the suit. Freedom. Collect the puzzles and get out of the room before someone gets you in time or the time runs out. Complete
Check how to put the suit on.
puzzles. I already know how to put the suit on. You press E. Puzzle. So we have to complete a puzzle. Do we have to open that box? Oh no, that's the box that is unable to open. Okay.
That's him.
Yeah, I know.
Trying to get jump scare this time.
Did you see him out there?
Yeah, I saw him.
He's still there.
Yeah.
He's still there. Leave. He's still there.
Keep the curtains closed, keep the curtains. Keep the curtains closed, mate.
Get in the suit, get in the suit, get in the suit, get in the suit. Let me in! Let me in!
No.
Let me in! I can't get in! Bro. Is that glitched out? I can't get in.
I don't know. Right, it's my turn.
When he does, you'll see his tentacles come out. Hide from him until he leaves. But I can't get in the suit, bro. What? Okay. Look at the tips first. Stop. Hold. Oh, you gotta hold it.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
And then complete the puzzle.
Complete the. Yeah, but how do we complete the puzzle? Press F. Press F. No, you don't have to hold it. You don't have to hold it. Okay, keep looking around. Keep looking around. Okay, he's not there yet. Look at the
puzzle.
Oh, look behind you.
Puzzle.
Look behind you. Oh my God. Check that bloke. Check him. Just flash your flashlight at him. Okay, now go back to the puzzle.
Okay, we're good.
Oh, it's one of those slider ones. No, on. Oh yeah. That's already there, you numbnut. Okay, go back and check. Check him and then check outside. Oh, get in the suit. Hold E. No, you gotta look at it. Oh, you died.
I swear to
you weren't
God.
fast enough. Let me my turn.
No, what is
It's my turn.
Yeah,
You
two goes.
No, get off. It's my game.
What? You.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, let me quickly test. Ah, that's how it works.
Okay. Look at the wall.
What?
Hide.
Come on. Oh.
It's right there.
He's outside the window, bro.
Close the window.
I'm going.
There we go.
Give me a sec, damn. Oh! Bro, what? He takes so long to leave.
Oh my God, that scared me. What the? You're scaring me for a second.
Bro, check the balloon guy. You gotta keep flashing the balloon guy.
Oh!
LMAO.
I saw him move. Okay.
Right, headphone.
How? Why do you have no time?
Yeah, you do. You just gotta keep flashing him with the flashlight.
Oh, that's what you do. Okay. I'll probably do one more try and then. I swear to God, when that came down for my second go, oh, that creeped me out so much. Flashing. Swear to God, he's gonna come live in a sec. check.
Oh, he's waking up, he's waking up, he's waking up. Oh, goddamn.
That was so close!
Okay, he's gone.
Okay, check. Oh!
He's back outside the window again.
Flash him.
I can't yet. Oh! I gotta wait till he gets in. I gotta wait till he gets close up to the window. He's not close yet. He's not close enough yet.
Flash him.
No, not yet. Give me a sec. Okay, he's still not close enough. Done. I'm literally finished. What now? Come on.
There we go.
That was so close.
I know.
That was so close.
I know.
Okay, we're nearly done. He's still there. He's still just standing there. He's got to come up to the window. That's it. Oh wait, no.
There we go.
That's it. Done.
That's done.
Right. What the hell do I do now?
And now the puzzles.
Oh.
That was close.
What? No! I thought he left. Right, guys, my little brother's gonna have one more go, and then I'm gonna end the video.
Right, this is last chance. Let's get this over with. Gosh. Okay, he's there.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You gotta
trying to close it!
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Bro, you're such a goober monkey.
Oh my god.
Oh my days. Right guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the first game was terrible. But I would definitely make a part 2 on this game because yeah, it was actually quite interesting, this one. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.